I'm going to show you how I make a real nice cheesy biscuit with garlic and herb. Yeah, I said that right.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Anyway, okay, so it's real simple. We're going to do 2 cups of flour. Okay. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And of course, let's see here, a dash of salt. Gotta have a dash of salt in there. Yeah, that's good. About a half a teaspoon. Okay. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to also do about a good teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Okay. And then we have got, let's see here, we've got 6 tablespoons, I'm sorry. I'm looking at sticks. 6 tablespoons of butter. And I got it cut up because we're going to incorporate all this. Okay. Now all I'm going to do is take my little pastry blender and get this all mixed in together. Okay. It goes pretty quick. These are good. And these are what we're having with our Tuesday night dinner. With our shells, right, Lexi?
Uh-huh.
Yum. Get that all off there. Okay, we just want this blended in real good. Cut in real good like coarse cornmeal. I think it looks pretty good. Okay. Get all these out of here. Alright, that looks pretty good. My hands are clean, of course. Okay, so now I'm going to put 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Mine is a blend, a cheddar cheese blend. It's like a blend for a taco or something like that. So anyway, I'm just going to mix that all up real good. Okay, and the last thing that I'm going to pour in here and mix together real well is all the milk. Okay, see that okay? We're just going to mix this together real nice. And if you need to put a little more milk in, go right ahead. I'm not. These look pretty good. If they're too soft or they're too runny, add... Boy, I'm tongue-tied. If they're too dry, add a little more milk. And vice versa. If they're too runny, add a little more flour. But these look pretty good. That's about what you want right there, friends. Okay? Now, most of you will take these and drop them by spoonfuls on a cookie sheet. Me, I always do my muffin or my biscuits in a muffin tin. I just think it's much easier. So, I'm going to fill my muffin tins about 3/4 of the way full. Okay? And once I get these all full, I'm going to bake them for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'm going to keep filling these. This is how easy it is to make. I'm going to keep filling these, and when they're all baked in 15 minutes at 350 degrees, I'll be back and I'll show you how they look.
Okay.
Okay, friends, look at this. These are gorgeous. These turned out beautiful, and watch how easy they come out of here. Look at the bottom. Beautiful. And they smell so garlicky and wonderful. Just twirl around there a little bit, and look how nice. Now, that's why I like doing it this way, friends, because that is a much better than just a drop biscuit that kind of crumbles and falls apart. I like them that way. They're beefy. They're nice. Okay, so that's it, friends. It's that easy to put these together. These are going to go with our Tuesday night dinner for our shells. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching.